Hi there, hope you are all doing well. Today we will be learning how to build one of these 555 timer Astable calculator using a bit of JavaScript and HTML. As you can see, I am opening an HTML file, and here you can see a 555 timer Astable calculator. You have R1, R2 and C. You all know the 555 timer, and this is the basic circuit, Astable circuit, and related formulas you can see here. I will also post this link down in description if you want a reference. But now we will see one in action. We enter a value of 1000 ohms, R2 of 10 kilo ohms, and capacitance of 47 microfarads. We now press calculate. We observe the frequency, the time period, the time low, time high, duty cycle and time period. We can all observe the values here. And so we will now see how to write the JavaScript code and the HTML code for it. Let's see. This is the basic file you can see here. Firstly, the basic normal HTML head and the body tags, and now you are defining a form with a ID of form 1. Here we will take the inputs R1, the R1, R2 and the C, the input type text, and after closing it, and now I am defining a button, which is the button, the calculate which we observed on the this button we define here, and when you click this button, it calls a function, the my function, and the function my function is written inside a JavaScript code. This is written inside this script basis, and in this my function, firstly from form 1 we are fetching the input values, the R1, R2 and the C, from using these commands x.elements 0.value, the 0 for R1, elements 1 for R2 and elements 2 for C. And after getting all this the R1, R2 and C, we are now using related formulas to calculate the defined parameters, and finally we are printing this. We are printing all this on the paragraph tag. I have used paragraph with ID show, and it is being called here show. You can see here, and I have used this HTML tags inside the quotations. You have to keep it inside the quotations, and after defining the script, I have closed the script and finally closing the HTML file. So this is the whole code which we will be writing for creating such a web page. I will post the whole code in the first pinned comment. You can see the comment section. The first pinned comment will be the code itself. You can copy the whole from there, and you can try it yourself. I have named it as index.html and used Chrome to open it. Now you can add any CSS or anything or any other feature to beautify this web page. You can add an image, or you can add any flashing texts using CSS cascading style sheets, and the opportunities are endless. So this is just a short tutorial, and I hope you have found this video useful. So please share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.